Welcome back to Primetime News. The Jamaica Egg Farmers Association is raising concern that imported table eggs are crippling the recovery of the local industry, which was devastated by the passage of Hurricane Melissa. Although the government allowed temporary imports to stabilize supply, the association president Mark Campbell says buyers are opting for the cheaper imported eggs, leaving local farmers at a disadvantage.
A number of them have reported to us this week and last week that they have gone to the supermarkets with their eggs, locally produced eggs, and they have been turned back, saying they are quite satisfied because they have bought imported eggs at a price better than what the local farmer is selling for. And many of them who have produced these eggs solely for these markets really don't know where to turn.
Mr. Campbell is seeking urgent intervention from the Ministry of Agriculture to limit importation. He says most large farmers are now operating at 80% of normal production levels.
Many of them will have no option but to drop out of production. And so we'll find ourselves in a position where the imported eggs by farmers in another country are displacing the local farmers. And that has serious implications for food security.
He added that the repackaging of some imported eggs in supermarkets without source or expiry information is also another serious concern for consumer protection, food safety, and market transparency.